Alright, for today we are going to factorize by grouping. This is the topic that we're going today. It's a topic in grade 10, 11 that need emphasis, and students have to be directed on what they must do when they are asked to factorize by grouping. Okay, then I'm going to explain to you what you need to do when you are given or asked to factorize by grouping. Okay, just follow me. You can be given example number 1, whereby you have to factorize the following expression. Okay, then we can have bx plus by. Let me write it nicely. Bx plus by plus ax plus ay. So you are asked to factorize this expression by grouping. Okay, but before we factorize, we need to understand the term grouping. What is grouping? Now, grouping is the process of grouping terms together in pairs of two terms, so that each pairs of terms will have a common factor that we need to factor out. So that's the definition of grouping. Grouping is the process of grouping terms together in pairs of two. In pairs of two. Okay? So that each pairs of term will have a common factor. So that these pairs of term will have a common factor. This pair must have a common factor, and this pair must also have a common factor. Are we okay? Okay, now you can be given 4 or more terms. You can be given 4 or more terms. You can be given an expression with 4 terms or more than 4 terms. Are we okay? Now, if you are given an expression with 4 terms, what you need to do? You have to take 2 different common factors. You have to take 2 different common factors. Now, once you have taken 2 different common factors, and then on the last thing, you have to take the whole brackets as a common factor. Follow me very well as we are going to factorize this expression here. Alright, let's factorize. Let's factorize this. I've already grouped my terms in pairs of 2. So I'm going to take the common factor of this one. Okay, we are only dealing with variables here. We don't have numbers. We are only going to deal with variables. So we are going to look at the variable that is appearing in both terms. We only have this one first, and then we are going to look to the variable that is appearing in both terms. I have B is appearing in this term, is also appearing in this term. So B will be my common factor. Okay, now I'll put this common factor outside the bracket. Okay, now I will need the expression that I need to put inside the bracket. So I will divide bx plus by with my highest common factor, which is b. Are you okay? And then this one cancel and this one cancel. So I will have bx plus y. Okay? Then I'm moving to this one. Okay? I'll have A is appearing in this term and is also appearing in this term. So this means A is a common factor. So then I'll take my A to be outside the bracket, and then I'll divide AX plus AY with my highest common factor, which is A, this one cancel, and then I'll have AX plus Y. Remember here I wrote that take the whole bracket as the common factor. Remember this bracket is the same as this one. The sign is also the same. So I'll take one of these term. Okay? Okay? Then I'll take x plus y. I'll have two brackets. So I'll also take this one and this one. And remember, this one, you must take it with its side. Then it will be b plus a. So like this, we have factorized this expression. So in order to check your answer, you must expand this bracket. So if you expand this bracket, it will bring you here. Are you okay? That's why in the previous lesson, I have explained that our factorization or factorizing is the reverse of expanding brackets. So this is how we factorize it when we are dealing with grouping. Remember to follow the step that I've shown you, and when you follow this step, you will never struggle with this grouping.